Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the 4 best stocks, growth stocks that I am buying right now going into 2025. I always think it's smart to go into the new year with some sort of game plan or strategy, or at least stocks on watch so you can keep an eye on, so we all can try to make as much money as possible. That's the goal of everybody that's pretty much watching this video and that's investing in the market. Isn't to make friends, it's to make money. So these are the stocks that I personally think will carry so much potential for 2025. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, because for those of you that don't know, I am a full-time swing trader. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading, on how to find undervalued stocks, our strategies, our approach, we have an amazing holiday sale going on right now. You guys can get 51% off by using code XMISS24. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, group chat, all that good stuff. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years of trading. So check it out down below. And guys, let's dive into stock number 1. All right, so stock number 1 actually isn't a stock at all. It's actually an ETF. Now, this is ticker symbol URA. URA is a uranium ETF. And I know you might be saying, Carter, why would you not put like an AI stock or an AI ETF? Because I think AI carries a ton of potential. Don't get me wrong. Some of the stocks that I have on my list today are AI companies, but I think AI has seen so much buying pressure over the past couple of years and this past year that I think in 2025, we may have a little consolidation where the stock doesn't get buying pressure nor selling pressure. It just kind of goes flat. We saw this with the dot-com bubble. We saw this with EVs, where everybody was investing in the EVs. And then after like 2 years, it kind of started going down, if not going flat. So I personally think that right now, all those technologies, that software, it needs to be powered. And that's what the uranium ETF focuses on, is more of a clean energy companies that are in here that carry a lot of potential. One of the stocks that I love in here is NextGen Energy. Carries so much potential. And I just think energy right now carries a lot of potential given the demand of AI and technologies and software and data. Now, this ETF tracks a whole bunch of fantastic companies, and it does offer over a 5% dividend, which is awesome. So it's a great way to start compounding your money, getting free cash flow and more of a passive income. Past year's growth hasn't been very good, down about 1%. But if you actually look at the past 5 years, we've seen a return of over 159%, which is awesome. All right, now let's talk about stock number 2. Stock number 2 is another energy company. This is Energy Transfers, ticker symbol ET. Energy Transfers is a natural gas and oil company. So I definitely think that with the new administration coming in, they want to fix and make energy more affordable. How do you do that? You drill more, you get more energy out there. And I think ET is going to carry so much potential. We've already seen great growth out of it this past year. So I think we'll see a lot of continuation for 2025. Not to mention, if we actually look at all the fundamentals are awesome. Increasing revenues, increasing cash flows, and increasing net profit margin of over 100%. So I think there's a huge demand for this, and they're more profitable than ever. So I'm excited to invest into this. All right, so stock in number 3 here is Tesla. I know some people hate it, some people love it, but for me, I'm a Tesla bull. I love Tesla. I've been investing into Tesla for years, and I still think they're an undervalued stock. And I know that might sound crazy, especially with them approaching highs, but I think looking back in the next 5, 10, 15 years, if they do what they say they can do with technology, software, autonomous driving, their new robo-taxis, their new virtual assistants, I think that carries so much potential, and I'm very, very excited for what Tesla holds. They're announcing their new car, which is going to be more affordable. Given that every car company out there hasn't made a very affordable model, Tesla wants to make a car under $25,000. I think this will be huge for the company with increasing revenues, increasing cash flows, and not to mention, they're the leader of software, leader of data. Tesla isn't just a electric car manufacturer. They're a software and data company over a car company, I personally believe. So I think they carry a lot of potential. I know some people think that it's overvalued, but for me, I dollar cost average this one. I just invest consistently into Tesla. All right, so the 4th stock that I want to cover today isn't a stock at all. It's actually an ETF. This is ticker symbol VUG. This is a Vanguard growth ETF. So this ETF tracks the best growth stocks in the entire stock market. So we'll have companies in here like Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, all these icons that we know and use every single day are going to be in this ETF. I think VUG carries so much potential, and not to mention, investing into an ETF like this reduces your risk. And that's why I'm investing into this, because what we saw this past year in 2024 was all of these companies like Microsoft, Nvidia get so much buying pressure that I think we could see a little consolidation, if not a little volatility. So how do you reduce your risk? Is you invest more into ETFs, because it spreads your investment across several different companies. Not to mention, VUG has historically beaten the S&P 500. So right now, I think represents a really good opportunity to start getting in on these companies. And I'm very excited for VUG. I think the future's there. I think the holdings are there, and I'm excited. So that's my stock in ETF number 4. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.